Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Playnite in your computer in a very simple way. Playnite brings Steam, Epic, GOG, and Xbox games into one unified library. So you can simply download it. Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser. Then simply come over into the search option. Simply search for Playnite. Download. Click on that. And then you're going to get the first website. Click on that. Click on download over here. Click on download. Click on the folder icon. And here you have to click on it 2 times to install. And you have to select the destination folder. So I'm going to select it to this PC, B drive. OK. And install. As you can see, it's downloading right now. So you can simply close all of your background app. And as you can see, the Playnite installation is completed. Now, if you can see that the Playnite is rightly opened, you can simply click on next. And from here, you can simply download your library integration. So it's another way to do that, or simply go for it. So yeah, this is you can simply download and install Playnite in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.